Ethereum, BTC, trading pair, and what's going on with the main cryptocurrency now. So let's start with the Bitcoin. Yesterday I showed you a lot of news, so highly recommended just go and double check that digest with the latest news about the crypto market and the BTC. And you know, I'm waiting some catalyst for end of the May. So decision of the market. Are we going down? Because of something should happen. Usually it happened by end of the May, some miracle. One year I remember it was a banning of the crypto in China. After that it was the big war in Ukraine. And now everybody waiting something similar like the spring 2022. Honestly, my target, this one, still relevant. And if to be more honest, I wish to see the price higher, and I will not want to see this drop to the 52,900. Why? Because you know, for me it's so obvious. Everybody now waiting the drop. This is one thing what I don't understand. Everybody now is ready for the dump. This is kind of what confused me. So you open this any social and you see only the bearish post because people waiting the drop because BTC can't go higher. So I don't know. This is like consensus now in the social. We can't go higher. That's why for me it's kind of strange. So everybody now waited the drop even to the 30K, right? So yesterday I showed you the two scenarios. One scenario it was like the cup and handle and go into the moon to the 160K to the 150K, and another one it's a drop to the uptrend line to 35K. For me, I don't know. It's kind of strange. The logic again of the market makers. Now we should drop like this one. Everybody feel their backs and we go to the moon. Kind of strange. Altcoins at all-time lows. Also, if everybody's ready to fill their bags with altcoins, what's the point to dump it? I don't know. That's why the most horrible scenario for us is if we just consolidate, you know, in the sideways all the summer. After that, maybe see the spring based on the Wyckoff and go higher. But if we use this fib like 27 blocks, so this one drop impulse almost test 61, it's a weekly time frame. And for me, this is relevant. With the weak candle, we can drop even to the 45, 600, 40, 50, 62 to close the weekly gap, this one, and grab this liquidity. But anyway, both of these case scenarios for me are strange, right? If we use the fib like this one, let me hide this fib and show you another one. So if we count the fib like this, we dump it on the 27 zone. In this case, yes, it's also logical like minus 0.61 level by fib 52K for 400. Based on the smart money concept indicator, we are in a downtrend. This is a both break of structure. To talk about upside move, we need to break this high, 97K, 98K. So we need to see something like this one. After that, I don't know what we should form. The inverse head and shoulder, I don't know. It's absolutely weird cycle now. Absolutely strange price action now. Because everything just literally depends on the Trump and the United States. So he postponed the 6 times. He postponed the attack or the ceasefire with Iran. We almost make a deal. We almost make a deal with Iran. And nothing happened, you know. It looks like they trying to bring some news in the right time to dump the market. So it's going to be the, like explanation why we dump it or why we pump it. It's absolutely weird because it's a pure media speculation. Based on the price action, guys, yes, of course, we rebound under on the weekly time frame. We got like a gap where we can come back and close. So this one. So this is the next target. If we zoom out on the monthly, this is a gap. So this gap and this one. So which one we're going to close first? But same time, you saw the weekly time frame, we're in the downtrend. Monthly time frame, we're still in the uptrend. break of structure, break of structure. So absolutely weird price action now, guys. Absolutely. Daily, take a look. Also, we saw the signal to sell. We saw the signal take profit. I showed you that signal take profit appeared in the market from sales 3 times in history on a weekly time frame. And after that, we usually pump it. That's why for me, it's absolutely strange market moment now. Daily, sell, take profit, buy, pump, sell, take profit, buy, recommendation, close position. Daily, what do we can see here? This is the gaps we're about. No signals to sell. That's why if we will see another drop, this block like looks more than reasonable. It's from that block like 45% drop. I don't know based on what, but this is a zone where most likely the whales will start accumulating back. If we double check the order blocks, favorable gaps, I showed you liquidity pools in the order blocks. Let's hide the trade on. So this is the order blocks on the daily above. Under is only this one on the daily. Weekly, under is no order blocks. Only here, this one bullish. 2 above. Monthly, we tested this one, so almost close to the full field. So I don't know, 64,500 and 58,943. So we done with that order block on a monthly. So under is only this one, 30K. The levels of September 23. Also weird. Maybe we're gonna form that 3 rise pattern like 1, 2, and third wave up, 140. Everybody gonna scream, we're going to the moon to the 150, 200, 300, 1 million, 2 billions, 5 quadrillions to the moon, and after that, red. So my plan is, I'm just on a sideline now this summer, I guess, because I'm not touch any spot position for the alts. For the BTC, I don't see any setup for the entry now. Or this one block, we're more than okay to try open some long position. For the spot, I don't think so. The 77K, it's a so cheap price for the BTC, just to be honest, right, for investment. That's why I'm waiting. And all indicators, you can double check by yourself. I would like to show you the take profit, this one, and here. We retested, I showed you several times. So we retested the buy line till penny. So should we drop like this one? But people compare, for example, Zone 22 and Zone 26. It's absolutely not even close. So we got like dump, bounce, dump. We got dump, bounce, dump. What we have to see again. So if here it was a test of the buy line, just a tiny bounce was in May. Now we dump it in February. So that time in February, where that February? Here. In February, we just pump it. Here, this is a dump it. That's why it's kind of strange moment now. People waiting the continuation of the dump and something like this price action from June 22 till December 22. So based on that logic, we should, like this one to the fundamental value of the price. Fundamental value of the BTC now on a weekly time frame is 45K 400. Lines are dynamic. But I don't know why we should drop. Why we should drop that low. So take profit at the same time is 121K 767. Exit line is 137K 300. This is my zone of interest, what I showed you on a last video about BTC on a beat stomp. We tracked that levels, I don't know, since 2022. So for BTC, plan is pretty simple. Ethereum BTC, guys. Here, the recent updates I posted in November 25 and March 26. We can track it because I adjust the monthly time frame, take profit line and the exit line. Like you can see in November 25, the exit line on Ethereum BTC trading pair was 0.06835. Now it's lower. Hey, come on, magnets. This one. So it's lower now, and this kind of little bit lower. So 0.059 and 88, 67, 62. Based on this FIB, For me personally, all targets absolutely relevant. I don't think so. We're going to drop to the low of January 16 to this monthly gap. So most likely we can retest this summer the fundamental value line below this one. It's 0.022256. I don't know what it will be with the BTC price, but Ethereum price will be around, I guess, under 2K. And this is a monster frame. When we drop, after that, we can rebound. And this take profit line is going to be, or maybe the test with a weak exit line, it's going to be the time to sell and out of all altcoins. So this is it. If we hide this one, a monthly gap is closed, guys. This one is closed. 50% is done. Weekly time frame also. What I don't like, we didn't see the signal take profit from the sell. So let's add alert trade on take profit from the sell. So that alert will be like a signal to stop selling the Ethereum and buy BTC. You know, so that's why it was an impulse correction. The logical correction could be to this weekly fair value gap, even to 0.021. So the test of a buy line on a monthly and the test of 50% of the weekly gap, it can be like the entry for start selling a BTC and buying the Ethereum. So this is a sound logical one. If we take a look on the weekly time frame, the buy line is around the 50% of the weekly gap also. So this is it. Usually when we dump on the fundamental wall and the rebounds, we can see some drop again to the buy line. And after that, lines will start curve up and go to the main targets. I don't think so we're going to drop on the zero level again, but time will show us. Trade on weekend close, a smart money concept indicator. I would like to double check the order blocks here. Liquidity pools and order blocks. What we can see on a monthly. Also, huge order block. Guys, I don't know what should happen with the market. So we should dump under the low of September 19 and April 25. Of course, it looks like actual lows, and this is like a bullish order block. But imagine the price of Ethereum, it could be under 1K again. That's why I don't think so. We will see that picture. So for me, targets, this one, test of buy line, close the gap, test the buy line on the weekly, and rebounds to test the order block on a weekly and the take profit line, exit line on the weekly. It's more than reasonable. Maybe we're going to form the double bottom, right? Like this one. And the size of that double bottom will be, come on, not that instrument. Side of that double bottom will be here. So around 78 level by FEEP, maybe even 7. I don't think so. But 676, we could test it. Right, please in the comment, guys, what do you think about the Ethereum BTC trading pair and about the BTC price action now? If you'd like to trade as my customer said and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.